Welcome friends, this is Professor Hagar 6661 and in this video I'll show you how to make your own OS. Yes, you heard it right, your own operating system. You know, it's really cool to have your own operating system. So I have actually coded this operating system and let us see what it does. First, it asks for the password. This is the boot screen and it asks for the password. I have given it the password as PASSWRD, password itself in caps, and it first of all gives us a welcome note and current date and time, and it gives us a few tasks which it can perform actually. So first of all, let us try the write text files. Actually you can write your text files and store them actually. So we'll have to give a heading here. Suppose I give it a heading as a test file and hit enter, and then this is the place where we have to write whatever we need to store. Suppose I write anything randomly here and hit enter, again enter, and we are done and we'll be redirected to the desktop now. So let's hit enter and here we are at the desktop. Let us make another write text file, and we'll give it a name as a test file 2 and hit enter and type anything again randomly, and let us type something long in this thing. We cannot press enter, we'll have to wait for it. So let us end it here, okay, and then press enter. Okay, so we have made two text files, but where are the saved files? So the saved files are in the documents folder, so we'll press 2 and hit enter. Okay, so we didn't save the test file 1 properly, so it is not available here, it is not displayed here. So we'll press 1 for the test file 2, and here we are, the heading which we gave is here, and the text which we wrote is here, which we typed, sorry, and to close it we have to press enter, and here we are. And the third thing which we have is a calculator. So let us open it. So this is the screen of our calculator. I know it doesn't look like a calculator, but trust me, it works well. So let us try something. Suppose 33 into 8, and it will give us 264, which is the correct answer. Let us try something else. Suppose 9 plus 5, and it will give us 14, which is again a correct answer. So it is a basic calculator which can be used effectively, sorry. And suppose I close it and somebody else starts it, and he or she doesn't know the password, and he or she types the wrong password and hits enter. He will be taken to a error page where it gives two options, admin login and guest login. So let us first try the admin login. I'll press 1 and hit enter. It will again take us to the boot screen. Again, if the user doesn't know the password, he will again type a wrong password and hit enter. So he'll have to use the guest login. In the guest login we cannot write the text files, but we can use the calculator and the clock. So first of all, let us try the calculator again. It's the same thing, so I don't think we need to try it. The same thing, and we have the clock, so we'll press 2 and hit enter. So the clock gives us current date and time. So this is how it works. This is all in the operating system. And suppose the password which I gave here, which is password, if you want to change it, so what you will do is right click it and edit it. The whole code is there in the description. You have to copy it and save the file as .bat, os.bat. Suppose I save it as os.bat, and make sure you select the drop down and select all files from here and save. And you know, if you don't give the extension .bat, it won't work and you will see this code, nothing will happen. So if you want to change the password, open this code and in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixth line, you will find set password, set p password and all. So you have to change password at two places. First of all, this one. Okay, you can remember it by watching the 2 is equal to sign, 2 equals to sign. Okay, only these are the things. So suppose you want to give the password hacker. Suppose I gave it the password hacker, and I'll have to change it here also, because it says that if password is right, then go to desktop. If the password is not hacker, then go to bootscreentwo. So we'll save it again, save, and we saved it in the OS.bat. So we'll open the OS, and suppose I type password here, so it will take us to the error page, and then again go to admin login and type hacker here, so it will take us to the administrator account. You can also, suppose now we don't need this, so I delete it. If you want to change the text that appears, which is here, if you want to change this password which appears here, you can also change it from or here actually. Password you can change is pass, suppose I do, and save it, and then close it, and again open it from here, and instead of password we are seeing only pass, and again I press type hacker and hit enter. It will take us to the administrator account. You can change everything that appears. You just have to find what it is on this in this code, and you can change it as you change any text in a normal basic text file. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like the OS. You can also do changes, as I told you before. You can change the codes and you can add a few more. And if you want any explanation, detailed explanation on this code, you please type in the comments and I'll give you a video on that also. And hope you like it. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more.